Hey folks, welcome to IISB. And allow me to show you in the next 2 minutes a little bit of our recent research on the whole value chain of next generation power. The whole journey along the value chain starts, of course, with the wafer. But the first step in manufacturing is epitaxy. And we are not only performing the epitaxy by ourselves, we, of course, based on our technology, improve the equipment what is necessary to perform the epi. Once the epi is made, the next step is chip manufacturing. And chip manufacturing means you have to go into the front end. And the final result of the front end are the chips on the wafer. As you see it here on our modern trench MOSFET chips we developed for our partners. And once the front end is finished, the chips are now on the wafer, the next step is to dice out the chips from the wafer. And then the next step is to bring it into the module. And here you see our recent developments on our power module development platform, where you also see the initial step of module fabrication, where you have the frame, where you put finally the chips on it, you bond it, and finally it comes to the next step, the packaging. Once the chip is made and packaged, then the next step, as I told you, is to bring it into the module. And then the next step is to bring the whole thing into the inverter or into the converter. Inverter means AC-DC conversion, and converter means DC-DC conversion. And the final step, of course, is to bring it all into the system. And what system means, of course, one big field of application are systems of mobility. And this is, for instance, mobility by cars. And here our recent research is developing inductive charging directly on the street while driving. We develop inverter and converter systems for modern ship engines. And finally, of course, air and space.